All right, now we got the drip edge installed. And what you're seeing here is Mr. Mario is getting ready to lay what we call winter guard. This is a product made by CertainTeed. It is the sand version of their winter guard. And what this does is this will go the first 3 foot up, and then we're going to install paper on the rest of the roof. The purpose of this winter guard, this house has what most houses do, what we like to call a standard 1 foot soffit overhang. What the soffit overhang, if I zoom over here to the neighbor's roof, the soffit overhang is where the roof jets out past the interior-exterior wall of the house. Most common size soffit overhang is 1 foot. When we run into that, we just put 1 course of the winter guard, because the object is to have the winter guard covering at least 18 inches up past the interior-exterior wall line of the house. And we can do that with a 3 foot wide roll on a 1 foot soffit overhang. If this house had a 2 foot or 3 foot soffit overhang, we would be putting 2 courses of this winter guard. But since it's just a standard 1 foot overhang, 1 roll of the winter guard, 1 course I should say, is more than enough. The purpose of this winter guard is what it's supposed to do is help seal around the shank of the nails when we nail our shingles on. If we ever have a harsh winter where we get a magnitude of snow, not even really as much the magnitude of snow versus temperatures. You get frigid cold temperatures for days on end, you actually have the heat from the house rising up through the attic insulation. It can start melting the snow on the underneath side of the attic. When that happens, it melts, it runs down. That 1 foot soffit overhang, there's no more heat coming up because it's all exterior. It freezes and it can potentially push water up underneath the shingles. And that's the purpose of putting the winter guard the first 3 foot. It's supposed to help seal around the shank of the nail, so when the ice dam does happen, a lot of people get confused. They think that we're installing this, the ice dam won't happen. The ice dam will still happen, it's just a secondary barrier trying to keep it from coming in the house.